Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm sorry guys I stay with so long, but I'm busy working. As I come today guys to go on another video. And thank you guys for each and every one that view my video, love my video, subscribe to my video. I guys to put a blessing upon each and every one. And I come to this pillar now guys. This is a pillar I'm going to give you guys. So please like up the video, subscribe to the video, touch the notification bell that when you're ready to get another video guys. And look at this one. Oh, I did it. Guys, look guys. Add half inch. Half inch guys. Add an half inch guys. Guys, this is the middle part of the zip that you measure, and this is the other side of the corner guys. You measure it, and this is the other part guys. That's the measurement guys, and I got to turn it over guys and show you how I did the outside. Look guys. This one I put the zip in guys. The zip guys. See there guys. This is a pillow. And I put a pipe in right here guys. And like up the video guys, and thank you for like and share. So going back to the machine now guys, turn it over, and I'm gonna close back this side guys. I'm gonna close back this side, and I'm gonna close back this side. Then I'm gonna put the pillar stuff in this side guys, and I'm going to the machine right now.